Hello students, welcome to Sri Vardhaman Vidyalaya online education. Here we are going to see the numericals of part 4 chapter 12 electricity. So in this part we will see the numericals related to the resistance in series, in parallel, power, heat produced, etc. So look at the example 1. An electric lamp whose resistance is 20 ohms and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to a 6-volt battery. Calculate A. The total resistance of the circuit. B. The current through the circuit. C. The potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. So first, what is given in this one? The resistance of an lamp R1 is given, that is 20 ohms. The resistance of an conductors connected in the series R2 4 ohm. So look at the see the diagram in your book. The potential difference across the two terminal of the battery V is equal to 6 volt. To find the total resistance of an circuit R, the total current through the circuit I, the potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. So first, when a resistance is connected in the series, you know that is a total resistance is equal to R1 plus R2. So here R1 and R2 is given. So 20 plus 4, it gives 24 ohms. So first we have find out the total resistance of a circuit is 24 ohms. Next we are going to find out the current through the circuit. So using an Ohm's law, you know that is an I is equal to V upon R. So V is given as an 6 volt and we have find out the resistance is an 24. So 6 upon 24 is equal to 0.25 ampere. Now the potential difference across the electric lamp, first one. So that is V into I. V is equal to I into R1. So I is equal to how much? 0.25 and R1 is how much? That is 20 ohms. So that when you multiply you will get a 5 volt. Next, the potential difference between the conductor, that is V2, is equal to I into R2. So I will be the constant, so that is 0.25 into R2 is an resistance of a conductors, that is an R2, that is 4. So that is 4 into 0.25 is equal to 1 volt. So we have find out all the three things. First, the total resistance is equal to 24 ohms. The current through the circuit is 0.25 ampere and the potential difference across the electric lamp is 5 volt and then the potential difference across the between the conductor is 1 volt. Example 2. If the resistor R1, R2, R3 have the value 5 ohm, 10 ohm, 30 ohm respectively, which has been connected to a battery of 12 volt. Calculate the current through each resistor, the total current in the circuit and the total circuit resistance. Given R1 is given as a 5 ohm, R2 is given as a 10 ohm and R3 is given as a 30 ohms. So the potential difference across the battery is given as a 12 volt. To find a current through each resistor, the total current in the circuit and the total resistance Rf. So I1 is equal to V upon R1, so 12 upon 5, that is 2.4 ampere, and I2 is equal to V upon R2, that is 12 upon 10, that is 1.2 ampere, and I3 is equal to V upon R3, that is 12 upon 30, that is equal to 0.4 ampere. So for this example, you can refer the diagram in your science textbook. The page number is 213 and the example is in a 12.8. Now here total current in the circuit, that is equal to I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus R3. So you have to add all this, that is 2.4 plus 1.2 plus 0.4. So you will get 4 ampere. Here you have to find out the total resistance. So these are all connected in a parallel. So in a parallel, the total resistance is equal to 1 upon Rf is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So that is 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 30. So the LCM is a 30. So 6 plus 3 plus 1, that is 10 upon 30, that is equal to 1 upon 3. So the total resistance Rf is equal to 3 ohms. So here we have find out the current through each resistor, that is I1, I2 and I3, and total current in the circuit is I, and total resistance Rf is equal to 3 ohms. Example 3. An electric iron consumes energy at the rate of 240 volt when heated is at the maximum rate, and 360 volt when heated is at a minimum. The voltage is 220 volt. What are the current and the resistance in each case? So what is given? That is power at a maximum rate is 240 volt and power at minimum rate is 360 volt, and voltage is equal to 220 volt. So to find current and resistance, solution: when the heating is at maximum rate, so that is I is equal to power upon potential difference, that is 240 upon 220, that is 3.82 ampere. Next, for this we have to find out the resistance also. So the resistance is equal to V upon I, that is 220 upon 3.82. So the R is equal to 57.60 ohm. So when heating is minimum rate, that is I is equal to power upon potential difference, that is 360 upon 220, it will give an 1.64 ampere. Then resistance is equal to V upon I, so that is 220 upon 1.64, that is equal to 134.15 ohm. Example 4. 100 joules of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistance. Find the potential difference across the resistor. So what is given? Heat is given, that is 100 joule. Resistance is given 4 ohms. Time is given, that is 1 second. To find the potential difference V. So the formula, we have learned the heat, that is Joule law of heating, H is equal to I square upon I square RT. So that is I is equal to H upon RT the whole root. So I is equal to, so H is given as an 100 and R 4 into 1 the whole square root. So that is it will give an 100 upon 4, that is 25, 1 upon 2, that is 5 ampere. So the current is an 5 ampere. Now you have to find out the potential difference. So V is equal to I into R, that is 5 into 4, 20 volt. An electric bulb is connected to the 220 volt generator. The current is 0.5 ampere. And what is the power of the bulb? Given the potential is given as a 220 volt and current is given as a 0.50 ampere. Here you have to find out the power. So power formula is V into I, that is 220 into 0.50, that is 110 watt. Example 6. An electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operate 8 hours per day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at the rupees of 3 per kilowatt hour? So given power is given 400 watt and time is given 8 hours per day. So we have to find out the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days. So the total energy is 400 into 8 into 30. So it will give an 96,000 volt hour. So when it will be converted into kilovolt hour, you know that is an 1 kilovolt hour is equal to 10,000 volts. So that is it will give an 96 kilovolt hour. So the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days is 96 into 3, because the per kilovolt it is given as an 3. So for 96 kilovolt you have to multiply. So that is the 12 gives, when you multiply you will get an rupees 288. So here the some numericals related this example. So first here what is given, calculate the heat produced when 96,000 coulombs of charge is transferred in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volt. So in this one, what is given? Charge is given, time is given, and you have to find out the potential heat produced. So the formula, first you have to find out the resistance. So for the resistance, R is equal to V upon I. Then you can find out the heat produced. So heat produced, so you have to use a formula I square into R into T. You will get an answer. Second, a refrigerator having a power of rating 350 watt, operator for 10 hours, operator for 10 hours a day. Calculate the cost of electric energy to operate it for 20 months, to operate it for a month of 30 days. The rate of electric energy is rupees 340 kilovolt per hour. So this sum is as same as that of an sixth example. So you can do it. Next, what will be the current drawn by an electric bulb of an 40 volt 40 volt when it is connected to a sources of a 220 volt. So here what is given in this sum, that is a power is given and potential difference is given. You have to find out the current. So you know that is a power is equal to V into I. So using this formula you can find out the current. Next, the fourth sum. So the calculate the equivalent resistance when two resistance of 3 ohms and 6 ohms connected in a parallel. So here you can find out the equivalent resistance, that is an R1 and R2 is given. So 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Next, fifth sum, a resistance of an 6 volt 6 ohms is connected in series with another resistance of 4 ohms. So a potential difference of 20 volt is applied across the combination. Calculate the current through the circuit and potential difference across the 6 ohm resistance. So here it is an R1 is given, R2 is given. So first you have to find out a resistance R. Using this you can find out a current, and so the formula is first R1, R is equal to O R1 plus R2. Okay, so you can get a resistance. Using the resistance you can find out the current and potential difference. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on a 110 volt, find the power. So what is given in this one? First, the potential difference is given. So the potential difference is given 220 volts. The power is given 100 watt. So using this, first we can find out the resistance. So power is equal to V square upon R. So R is equal to V square upon P. So we can find out the resistance. So next you have to find out the power. So using an volt is given 110. So from this resistance and using an potential difference 110, you can find out the power. The formula is same. P is equal to V square upon R. So you can get the answer. Okay, hope you have understood this numerical. So we have finished the chapter 12. Okay, thank you.